You are following to your Gurudev. Suppose Vishnu Maharaj is saying one thing, Bharati Maharaj is saying one thing, Niskinchi Maharaj is saying one thing, Bhagavad Maharaj is saying one thing, or your God brothers or sisters are saying something different things, and you are saying, okay, Bharati Maharaj told I will do this. Vishnu Maharaj told so I will do this. Then you will be confused.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have to think inside
Yes.
what my Gurudev told.
Told.
There only. Yeah.
If Vishnu Maharaj is saying Siddhanta according to your Gurudev, then you
you can
accept.
take it.
Then you accept that.
Yes.
Yes.
If Vishnu Maharaj is not
Yes.
saying according to Siddhanta of your Gurudev, then don't disrespect to Vishnu Maharaj. But inside you say, my Guru Maharaj.
It's not for me.
Then Supreme Lord will see she is following to his Gurudev. She is hearing to so many Vaishnavas, she is hearing Harikatha for so many Vaishnavas, but she is following to this is serious sadhana. No, my Gurudev told this, but I like Vishnu Maharaj told today is a very nice thing, so I will follow this.
That is nothing.
And one thing, Bharati Maharaj told nice thing. One thing, another Swamiji is told. So you are following some instructions you are following to Bharati Maharaj, some instructions to Vishnu Maharaj, some instructions. Then you are not serious for your Gurudev. Then the question is, why we will not follow the instruction of Bharati Maharaj? Why we will not follow the instruction of Vishnu Maharaj? They are sannyasi. Why we will not follow to another sannyasis or another God brothers and sisters? Because Vishnu Maharaj did not take your responsibility. Bharati Maharaj is not taking your responsibility. Your Guru Maharaj,
Taking
He
it.
is.
he is taking your responsibility. It is your duty to follow to your Gurudev. Because you are not getting the chance personally to hear your Gurudev, then you are going to Bharati Maharaj or Vishnu Maharaj to others. It is nice you are hearing to Vishnu Maharaj, you are hearing Harikatha, but you have to follow to your Gurudev.
Yeah, I hope.
Then your Supreme Lord is seeing. The fruit is given by Supreme Krishna. As he is saying, this devotee is falling to his Guru. She is hearing to so many Vaishnavas, Harikatha is here, but she is falling to
Gurudev.
Gurudev.
this is serious sadhana. One thing.
So,
Second thing, how everyone is not so much in the same capacity to do sadhana. What sadhana we are doing, or how much sadhana is we are doing seriously, there is another thing. But what sadhana we are doing only to please, only to giving satisfaction to our Gurudev and Supreme Lord Krishna. We will not blame to Krishna. We never blame to Gurudev. Oh Gurudev, according to you, I am chanting 1 lakh Harinam every day. According to you, I am putting tilak, I am doing sadhana, and at the same time I have so many problems. What are you doing? You are doing nothing for me. I have so many problems. I have money problems, I have health problems, I have family members problems. So you are not hearing me. So, oh Gurudev, please solve me this money problem. Please solve my this visa problem. Please solve me my this husband problem or wife problem, this problem. So if we are requesting to Gurudev, if we are requesting to Krishna for these worldly things, it means we are not doing sadhana for Madhur Ras. We are not doing sadhana to getting some spiritual things. We We are asking worldly things. So we are not serious.
Only high caliber souls can get that. No?
But one day we will go. Because we have to know what is the right path. Slowly, slowly we will go on like that. You know, one devotee, he was attending to Gurudev in month of Kartik in Dehradun. And at that day, Guru Maharaj explained so many seva brats. So many seva brats. There are 32 kinds of seva brats. He was explaining seva brats and nama brats. He went to Gurudev and he told Maharaj, I am not surrendered soul. Because today you explained all those nama brats and seva brats. So I was feeling, so I am doing these seva brats and nama brats. I am doing this. So I am not surrendered soul. So please bless me. Guru Maharaj replied, you are surrendered soul. Then he replied, he told to Gurudev, I know, I am not surrendered soul. I am aparadhi. I am doing so many types of offenses. Guru Maharaj, no, you are surrendered soul. Then he asked Gurudev, how you, because he was his god brother, younger god brother, then he asked Gurudev, Maharaj, how you are saying that I am surrendered soul? Then Guru Maharaj asked, why you have come to me in the city? Because your city is Jalandhar and you have come in another state. Why you have come? Am I giving money to you? Am I giving clothes to you? Am I giving worldly things to you? Why you have come to you have come here to hear Harikatha from the Vaishnavas? You thought in your house, I will go to the Dehradun, then I will get everyday Nagar Sankirtan, I will get Harikatha with the Vaishnavas. So, this is Saranagati. This is Saranagati. Then Guru Maharaj told very new thing. Maybe your percentage is less of Saranagati, but you are surrendered soul. We all are surrendered because we are putting tilak, we are wearing mala, we are hearing Harikatha from the Vaishnavas, we are attending Arti, we are taking prasad, we are doing Mandir Parikrama and other things. So why we are doing? For bhakti, it means we are surrendered soul. We are doing for his satisfaction. In same time, we are thinking so many worldly things. We have so many worldly desires. So we have worldly desires and we have desire for bhakti also. It means we have surrenderness in less percentage. Some we are 10% surrender, some are 20% surrender, some are 30%, some are 50%. If any person is 50% surrender, it means 50% he is thinking about satisfaction of Gurudev, about satisfaction of Supreme Krishna, and 50% he is thinking about worldly things. So, what should we do? What is our duty? Doing sadhana, doing Vaishnava Seva, doing Guru Seva, by doing these things, we have to increase our percentage of Saranagati. Slowly, slowly, we will increase 50% Saranagati, 60%, 70%, 80%. One day we will 100% complete surrender to Supreme Lord. So we are surrendered. We are surrendered, but our percentage is less. So we have to increase by doing Vaishnava Seva, by doing Harinam, by observing Ekadashi in this way. So, what is seriousness? Serious bhakti? Serious bhakti means we are following to Gurudev because in this world, all the sannyasi, all the brahmacharis, all the Matajis and other householders, they are student of class of Bhakti. But our Gurudev, he is not a student, or he was not a student, and he was not a Siddha Purush. He is personal associate of Supreme Lord Krishna. Bhagavad Maharaj have come. Yesterday Bhagavad Maharaj have come. His god brother Bharti Maharaj and Gurudev. So he is nice Vaishnava. He is the only sannyasi in our math who is doing such a seriously Harina every day. Every day he will sit, after Mangalarti he will sit to chant Harina, and up to daytime when the Bhogarati. If there is so many problems and no problem, he will do his sadhana in front of Thakurji. He will sit and he will chant Hare Krishna. He is very serious for doing it. In month of Kartik, 3 months in a year, he will do in his mat 24 hours Hare Krishna Mahamantra by chanting, and he will make one list from 6 to 7. This Prabhuji will chant in front of Tulsi. 7 to 8, Vishnu Maharaj will chant. And 8 to 9, this Prabhuji will chant. He will make 2 groups, one male group and one female group. Male group, 24 hours they will chant in front of Tulsi. And the Matajis from Mangalarti to evening Arati, because at night they have to go to their houses, so he will make 2 groups. Whole month they will chant. And he is giving 1 hour to everyone, but he will give time, double time. He himself will sit 2 hours. If he is giving 2 hours to everyone, he will sit there 4 hours. In this way, he is very serious to doing Harina. But we cannot say he is personal associate of Supreme Lord Krishna. We can say he is nice Maharaj, he is nice Vaishnava. In this way, in this world, all our Vaishnavas, they are doing nice sadhana, and they have achieved nice achievement, spiritual achievement. But our Gurudev is personal associate of Mahaprabhu. So we have to follow to our Guru. So many Vaishnavas saying so many things. We have to follow. What about it? But we will not criticize anyone.
But also Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru are same.
It is right. But you have to think, who took your responsibility? Shiksha Guru or Diksha Guru? If any Shiksha Guru is taking your responsibility, then you surrender to him. If any Shiksha, like Bhaktivinoda Thakur, his Shiksha Guru took all the responsibility. Then he was giving only respect to his Diksha Guru. He gave responsibility. But he was surrendered himself to Shiksha Guru. But in our case, our Diksha Guru took our all responsibility.
Yes.
So we will give respect to all the Shiksha Gurus. We will hear Harikatha from them, but we will follow instruction of
Yes.
Diksha. Hare Krishna.
Oh, Maharaj, so nectar.